Good morning, everyone. How are we doing today? Michael Zuber, author of One Rental at a Time. And if you don't know, one of the things I am working hard on is helping new investors go from zero to one, right? Get their first deal or get their next deal. I believe that's done with focus and consistent effort. I believe you can do this while holding a demanding full time job, while having family responsibilities. But 2020 has been tough. There's no inventory. Owner occupants are buying everything that's clean. So it's been really hard to watch, myself included, right? 250 offers and got nothing. 2020 is weird. But yesterday, in the private Facebook group just for my students called One Rental at a Time Works, we had a new investor get his first deal. He got a duplex. And I'm going to share the message that he left in the community, but also want to summarize what he was able to do. He focused. He had consistent effort. He didn't give up. As you will see in the note, it took him 8 months. As you will see in the note, he knows his market. He knows knows what's a good or great deal. I think we need to congratulate him. So what I would like you to do, if you are watching this and you are interested in real estate investing, let's send some good karma. If that is you, go ahead and leave a comment, say congrats or great job, Angel, whatever you like. Let's put some goodness into the world. And if you want to get some help, buy the course and then get it added to the Facebook group, because again, this community that is building far exceeded my expectations. And as you will see, you get postings like this nearly every day. So let me share this with you. Again, it's only a couple of slides here. Again, what I wanted to do in this presentation is really summarize that, yes, 2020 is crazy. Of my 20 years of investing, there's never been a market that was harder to find or create a good or great deal. I've done as few as 4 or 5 transactions over the years, but this year's been tough. I've done as many as 20 or 25, but this year's been tough. So again, this is a new investor interested in one rental at a time, and he got his first deal in today's market. This is the note. I blocked out his last name because I didn't feel like I had the right. But again, he's under contract for his first duplex. It took him 8 months to find a good deal and get the offer accepted. See, that's the deal. When you take my course, you're likely going to make a bunch of offers that don't go anywhere because I only want you making good or great deals. I don't want average. Everybody can do average. I don't want that for you, and I don't want that for myself. He goes on to say, I'm anxious for closing day to come. The closing date is January. I'm giving the seller and tenant time to move out. Tenants were paying under market rent, and lucky for me, they had decided to move out when I toured the property. The seller wanted 129. We got him down to call it 120. Don't be afraid to negotiate. Find out what the seller wants and give it to them. Again, think about that. If you're taking my course, a $9,100 off asking is going to impact your yield. You are going to have a better yield. The property is in need of repairs. So in my spreadsheet for my course, that 25K goes right into make ready. That's what we do, right? And that's part of your analysis. And if you're one of my students, you know exactly what I'm talking about. ARV is 160. He's putting 25% down with conventional financing. Each side will rent for 1K and tenants pay utilities except sewer and trash. However, I will be moving into one unit. So he's going to house hack his duplex. Thank you, Michael. If it weren't for you, I would have bought a bad deal. Folks, it's easy to buy a bad deal in 2020. Don't do it. There's opportunity cost. Cash is an option on the future. Please buy the course. Please focus. Please do the work. And please join the community. Let's get ready for 2021. 2021 is almost here. Inventory is coming. Things are going to get easier, but you have to be ready. If you're not ready, that's on you. I can't help you with that. Goes on to close with, before finding you, I didn't know jack about yields or running. So again, he posted this about 11 hours ago. Already got 21 thumbs up, 15 comments. The community is wonderful, whether it's a celebration comment like this or pictures or whatever. If you buy the course, the thing you want to add yourself to is one rental at a time works. I decline everyone who asks to join that's not a student. I only want students, and I personally validate who's in there. So a couple of things that I want to make obvious here is he bought the course. He bought the course. He did the work. He did the work and he focused. More importantly, he consistently did the work. Did you see it took him 8 months? 8 months. Don't give up. He didn't give up. He kept going. He trusted. He just kept moving forward. He made offers below market to make sure he got a good or great deal. He knows his numbers. He knows his numbers. And again, this is a new investor, first deal. He made it happen in 2020. All of you can too. All of you can too. What you need to do is you need to buy the course. The course is called How to Start One Rental at a Time. There's a link below. But be warned, it's going to ask you to focus and it's going to ask you for daily action. And the best part is you're probably not going to have to wait 8 months because it's 3 or 4 months away when the inventory is coming, I believe. So do the work now. Spend 30, 60, 90 days getting ready. Learn your skills, sharpen your axe. Most importantly, after you buy this, please join the group. If you have a Facebook group, or I'm sorry, if you have a Facebook page or Facebook account, please join One Rental at a Time Works. Love to see you there. Interact, introduce yourself as a new member. You will be amazed by the community that is building every day. Again, that community is becoming the heartbeat of One Rental at a Time. So Angel, I just wanted to congratulate you. Thank you for being a part of the course. Congrats, 8 months, man. I'm sorry, 2020 has been rough, but you did it. Thumbs up. Congratulations. Take care.